have to get a better camera. This damn thing shuts down without any reasons at all. So anyway, now I'm pretty sure you can see it was not cut perfectly square, and I really don't care. It's going to be fine. It's going to be a pretty strong 2.5 or 3-inch square-ish beam, and well, it's not perfect, like I said, but all I care about is strength. So, the sign is now ready to be sawn, and like I said, what I do is I prepare them, and after I've done them all, then I reset my mill for boards and beams. I'll probably show it to you another day, but for woodworking today, that is all, and I wish you a nice day.